everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my current favorite products. These are all the things which I've been loving a lot lately, and I'll be giving my mini review on each product and what I feel about it. There are things from hair care, skincare, makeup and random categories. So if you're interested in what I've been loving, then please keep on watching. So first let's talk about hair related products, because most of you are subscribed to me because of my hair, so you must be interested in hair care. So the first product we have here is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Plus Repair Protein Power Treatment. Such a huge name. So this is basically a hair mask or a deep conditioner. It's protein based, but it also has moisture, so it's gonna hydrate your hair as well. And I'm in love with this mask, okay, because it makes my hair feel so soft. You know, as soon as I apply it, it has amazing slip first of all, and once I wash it out, my hair feels extremely soft to the touch. I would highly recommend it, and especially if you are looking for protein based masks, and if you don't want the mask to make your hair all crunchy, because this does hydrate as well, so you should go for this one. It has this butter consistency, it's very thick and a little bit goes a long way, so it's gonna last me for a really long time. I've used it a lot, and since I have a lot of it left, so I would highly recommend it. The next product is by Anvea. It's the Curl Defining Anti-Frizz Hair Mist. It's basically supposed to be curl defining, and it's going to control your frizz. It has watery consistency and it's very hydrating. So I'll just explain you what this product does in terms of skincare. Like for example, when you do skincare, first you apply toner, right, which is really liquidy, and then you go in with creams and heavier products. This is just like that. So even for your hair, you can use this as your first step, so which will hydrate your hair, add a little bit of hydration, and on top of that you have to apply some hair creams or leave-in conditioners. That is if your hair is extremely dry. If you don't have very dry hair, if you don't have very frizzy or maybe a little bit wavy hair, then maybe this can work on its own. But if you have extremely dry hair, you have to use other products as well. But this works great as a first step. So for example, if you have oily skin, you wouldn't want to use heavier, thicker products, right, like creams and stuff. You would just focus on hydrating products. So even this works really well on its own if you don't have very dry hair. So I love this product to use as a first step. So I just first spray it all over my hair as hydration, and then I go in with my other products. But not just for curly hair, even when I blow dry my hair, like today I've blow dried my hair and I've used this. So it also works as a heat protectant. So I just spray it all over my hair again, and I also apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner when I blow dry my hair, and it gives me amazing results, okay. As you can see, my blow dry is so smooth, and I have finished the bottle till here. It's a glass bottle. I'm definitely gonna repurchase it. So yeah, would highly recommend, even if you're searching for a heat protection spray. And since we're talking about hair, I wanted to give a shout out to a small Instagram page. So they sent me a few hair accessories. They all are satin. So satin is really good for hair, right, to avoid frizz and breakage, especially for curly hair. So I received it many months ago, but this headband I have been really enjoying. So every time I'm at home, I just wear this headband so that the hair doesn't come in my way. If you're following me on Instagram, you must have seen this in all my stories. I wear this a lot. The Instagram page is called With Love Crafts and Designs, so you can check out the page if you're interested. So the next product is period related. So do you remember I had made a video on menstrual cups a few months back, and I do get a few questions on how I'm feeling using them now. I'll be honest, it's been a few months since I haven't used a menstrual cup because I have so many pads. So I went back to pads, and they're just feeling so convenient for me. I feel lazy to use menstrual cups. I feel guilty because I encouraged you all to use menstrual cups. You can, it's a great way. I may switch back to menstrual cup again, I don't know, but currently I've been loving pads. So the pads I've been currently loving are by Carl Macy. I've also talked about it in my other videos and also on my Instagram. This is how the pad looks like. Each pad comes in its own disposable bag, which I love because first of all, it's very convenient. I don't have to search for a newspaper. Every time I change my pad, I can just use this cover to just throw. It's just so much easier to use. And second of all, this is biodegradable. So now let's talk about the pad. I'll just show it to you. So again, it comes in this wrapper, and this is how the pad looks like. It's really huge. This is in the size XL, by the way. So this is how the pad looks like. The top top sheet is made of corn fiber, that's why it's very soft. You don't even feel like you're wearing a pad honestly. And these pads are plant based, it contains no irritants, and it's rash free. So if you're having any rash problems with using pads, then I would highly recommend these, because these are certified as 100% rash free by gynecologists. It comes in different sizes as well. It comes in L, XL, double XL. So L is for medium flow. This is how L looks like. It's still pretty huge. It also has wings, so you can stick it on your panty. This one is XL, which I showed just now. So L and XL. So this is for heavy flow, and this is your double XL. This is huge, okay? So there you go. This is L, XL and double XL. This one is for extra heavy flow. So this is something I prefer to use at night, like as an overnight pad. And as you can see, the pad is extremely thin, okay? Even though this is double XL, this is extremely thin, so you don't even feel uncomfortable while wearing pads. But even though this is thin, it has great absorbency power, so you don't really have to worry about leaking because it has a great capacity. By the way, Carmesi also has menstrual cups, so if you don't want to use pads, you can also try their menstrual cups. So since we are talking about pads, I also have Carmesi panty liners. So if you don't know what panty liner is, it's basically a smaller version of pad. This is how panty liner looks like. They are so cute first of all, and they are a lifesaver because I use these on my last days of period, like 4th or 5th day when the flow is really less and I don't really want to waste an entire huge pad. That's when I use panty liners, and these are designed for sensitive skin just like the pad. So these are rash free as well, and it's very thin again. You don't even feel you're wearing a panty liner. And panty liners are perfect to keep your vaginal area dry and comfortable. So even if you're not on your period but you're having discharge, you can use panty liners because it's gonna make you comfortable and it's not gonna ruin your clothes, and it's gonna keep that area dry and clean. It's very important to keep it dry and not moist to avoid infections. Comes in packs of 20 to 60 panty liners, and even if you're using menstrual cups or tampons, panty liners come in handy just in case you have not inserted it properly, so just to avoid staining. So we have all these options at the comfort of our home because Carmesi is having summer essential sale right now, and if you use my discount code Madhushri05, you get 20% off on any period product if you buy it on Carmesi website, and these are also available on Amazon and Purple. I'll leave all these links in the description box below. So the next category is skincare. So this is the Dot & Key 10% niacinamide skin clearing serum. I love niacinamide, okay? I have used the ordinary niacinamide before and it worked so well on my skin. I usually have these dark spot issues, so every time I get acne, it leaves dark spots and it takes forever to go, okay? So when I was using niacinamide by Ordinary, the dark spots started fading very quickly, okay? And then it got over, of course, and I also didn't do my skincare properly for the last few months, so again I got dark spots and they are just not going. So I finally started using niacinamide again. So the one I've been using currently is by Dot & Key, and it is helping. It's been, I think, 2 weeks I'm using it and the dark spots are already fading away, and also I enjoy using it. The consistency is really good. I also have the niacinamide from Dr. Sheth's. Even that works great, but I like the applicator of this more. Like, the dropper is much easier to use, but both of these are equally good. In case you're buying anything from the Dot & Key website, I also have a new affiliate discount code with them, so you can use MADJ10 to get 10% off on Dot & Key website. This is my first affiliate code, okay? The next skincare product is a lip balm by Plum, and this is in the variant Red Velvet Love. The color is really pretty, it smells and tastes amazing, and it also leaves a tint. I have a separate video on Plum lip balms. I have reviewed 3 different variants, so if you're interested more in this, then you can watch that video. The next category is fragrance. So this is a fragrance mist by Bath & Body Works. It's called Japanese Cherry Blossom. I have 2 of these bottles. One of them I gave to my mother-in-law because she loves perfumes and she has already finished it. She also loves it a lot. It smells very fresh but also floral. It's not very overpowering, so I'm not very used to perfumes. I just forget to use it, but when I do remember, like after shower, since we are not going out. After shower, when my body is damp, that's when I like to apply body lotion, because if you apply body lotions on damp skin, it just absorbs better and it lasts longer. And when my skin is damp with the body lotion, that's when I like to spray it all over my body, and it smells amazing, okay, and it lasts longer as well if you spray it on damp skin. So that's how I like to use it when I remember. The next product is a candle, again by Bath and Body Works. So as you can see, I've burnt a lot of it, and the color is also pretty, and it really goes with my room color, you know. It has this sweet masala smell, pumpkin apple smell. The name is pumpkin apple, but yeah, it's a very unique smell. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I thought I wouldn't like it. I just bought because of that buy to get to offer, and I just couldn't find candles. Most of them were out of stock when I got it from the Nykaa sale, Pink Friday sale. So I didn't think I would like it that much, but then I ended up liking this the most among all the candles I got. So the next category is makeup. The first product I have here is a foundation. This is the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I have a separate review video on it, so I've swatched it, I've explained in detail, pros, cons, everything you need to know about this foundation is in that video, so you can check it out. But I've been really enjoying it. It makes my skin look so healthy, and it's very hydrating as well. I've not used any other foundation ever since I received it. The next product is a mascara. This is by Mars. This is extremely affordable. It costs 179 rupees only, and that's why it shocked me, because it performs too well for the price you're paying, okay. I'm wearing it right now, and there are very few mascaras which are actually able to lengthen and, you know, give volume to my lashes. I usually prefer L'Oreal mascaras, even Maybelline mascaras. I feel Maybelline and L'Oreal make the best drugstore mascaras, so I didn't really think this would work for me. This was way too good, that's why I wanted to mention this. The next thing is a lip product. This is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in the shade Mogul. I'm wearing it right now. I just like the shade first of all, and I like the shine it gives. So I've been using only this lipstick since weeks now, and I recently made a video on my go-to makeup look using these makeup products I just showed. So if you want to see these products in action, and also I've mentioned a lot of my favorite makeup products in that video, so you can check that video out. The next lip product is by Sarah Cosmetics. This is the liquid lip color in the shade Rise in Pink. I've been using it as tint, so I mostly wear it at home. I just take a little bit on my lips, blend it out, on my cheeks, blend it out, and also on my eyelids and blend it out. It blends very seamlessly and very smooth on the skin. I also have a separate review video on this, so I have swatched and reviewed 4 of these shades, so you can check it out if you want to know more about this. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I hope all of you are safe and staying at home. Please don't go out if you don't need to, and purchase online if possible instead of going out. Even the essential products are available online, like the pads I just showed, the Carmisi pads, they are available online, so you don't really have to go to the pharmacy. So whatever is possible to buy online, please do buy online instead of going out. And I hope you stay safe. Please take care of you and your family, and always wear masks. Wear 2 masks if you're going out. Please do not skip this, okay? And I will see you in my next video. Bye!